title plan and find owner. Effortlessly obtain the title plan and title register for any property through PropMarker. These essential documents are maintained by the HM Land Registry, the government department managing all land purchases and ownership in England and Wales. The title plan is a detailed map that shows the boundaries of a property and its surrounding area. It shows the property boundaries, structures, roads, and neighbouring properties, providing a clear visual depiction of the land's size, shape, and its relation to the surroundings. The title register, on the other hand, is a written document containing vital information about the property's legal and ownership status. It includes details such as the property's address, owner's name, purchase price, if available, land use restrictions, and particulars of mortgages or charges on the property. Easements and covenants, which may impact land use, are also recorded in the title register. As an official record maintained by the HM Land Registry, it stands as a pivotal document for verifying ownership and legal details of a property. These documents are crucial for anyone involved in buying or selling property, as they provide a comprehensive overview of the legal and ownership aspects of a particular piece of land in the UK. Accessing these records through PropMarker is a simple process. Just search for the property address, choose the preferred documents, and purchase them at a cost of £3 each, equivalent to Land Registry's pricing. These fees are directed straight to the Land Registry. Upon completing the payment, the purchase document will be either emailed to your provided address or made available for download at any time through the PropMarker software.